First, make sure the Epic Games Launcher is completely closed. Even if it's just minimized in the tray, close it entirely. Next, right-click the Windows logo and click Run. In the Run window, type %localapdata% and hit Enter. In the folder that opens, find and double-click on Epic Games Launcher. Go into the saved folder. Look for a folder called something like webcache_4430, the number may vary. Right-click it and select Delete. Close everything, then search for Epic Games Launcher. Right-click it and select Run as administrator. Once it's open, go to your library, and try launching Fortnite again. This should fix the LS0013 error. If none of this works, or you want your PC and connection fully optimized for gaming, try Exit Lag. It helps reduce lag, improve routing, and boost performance in games like Fortnite. Let me know in the comments if Exit Lag helped you. And use the link in the description to save with my exclusive discount. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.